Hello friends, this is Yuca Salvadoreña and we're having thunder. Hopefully we'll get some rain. ¿Qué? What? Walk around. Marquito being scared of ants. There's some bullet ants on the ground, so he gets super scared about them. But he can jump over and not step on them and then he will be fine. Vaya, ¿qué es eso? Look at how beautiful it looks. Ahí voy. I'm coming. Starting to rain now. I can feel the drops on me. There's no stars, nothing on the sky. Beautiful. Ahí voy. Yeah, it's raining, but it's just a little bit. Okay, hold on. You can hear the thunder. Beautiful. Hermosa picture. Yep. Okay friends, I gotta go because it's starting to rain and I cannot be outside like this. But I hope that you enjoyed this little video. Love you guys. Like and subscribe. Till the next one. Oh my God, it's raining hard. Ahora sí me voy a mojar. Ay.